Welcome, car enthusiasts. Today we're taking a virtual spin around the Sheehy Toyota dealership in Laurel. Picture this, a state-of-the-art facility located at 8801 Free State Drive, Laurel, Maryland. This place is a haven for all things Toyota. At Sheehy Toyota Laurel, you'll find a vast selection of new and pre-owned vehicles to suit every need and budget, from the legendary RAV4 to the powerful Sequoia. Their inventory is packed with top-of-the-line cars that are sure to turn heads. They also have an impressive selection of pre-owned vehicles for those who prefer a second-hand ride with all the bells and whistles. But it's not just about the cars. Their amazing team of experts are here to guide you through every step of your car buying journey. From test drives to financing options, they've got you covered.
Hey, my name is Emma. I'm Sheehy Toyota of Laurel, one of the dedicated certified sales professionals. If you need a good deal, come see me. I'll make it happen.
How you guys doing? Adisa down here with Sheehy Toyota of Laurel. Let's make a deal today. Come on in.
They even offer maintenance and repair services to keep your Toyota running smoothly for years to come along. Hey, they even have a refreshing cafe. So, if you're in the market for a new or pre-owned Toyota in Laurel or surrounding areas, don't hesitate to stop by Sheehy Toyota Laurel. You can find them online at sheehytoyotalaurel.com or give them a call at 301-719-5041. Stay tuned for our next video where we showcase our vehicles for you to view. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video tour and want more exciting content just like this.